We are Sean, Emma, Rex and Maggie, and in this series we head on a tour of southwest Scotland in Rennie, our motorhome. In this episode we head to Glentrool in the heart of the Galloway forest. We go on a beautiful hike in the foothills of the mighty Merrick and check out the first of the Seven Stains mountain bike trails. So we've made it up to Galloway Forest. We're at the Glentrool car park, which is the furthest one west, and we're going to take on the Loch Trool trail, and then we might go up to Bruce's Stone, which is like an extra part, but I'll tell you about that when we get to that point, and we'll see how we get on because it's quite a long walk today. All four of us have decided to go today, and it's quite a nice day, not too hot, not too cold, so we're hoping for a good one. Maggie going for her mid-hike dip. Rex isn't bothered, are you, Rex? You just want to keep going, don't you? Yeah. Okay, so let me tighten that up. So we've just got to the end of the yellow route, well, halfway of the yellow route, and I'm taking the yellow route, goes back that way. Yeah. So we're going to follow the Loch circular route now. I'm not sure how much of it we're going to do. It depends how tired we get. But we're going to give it a go for a little while, see how we get on. And then we'll make our way back to this point probably and head back on the water trail route. I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, it's the yellow one here. So you head back to the car park later. But it's such a beautiful day, and we're both doing all right for our first hike of the holiday.
Yeah, we're all good.
So we haven't even stopped yet for anything, have we? We had drink or food or anything. So we're going to keep going. And
we're going to try and get to the stone as well.
Yeah, so we're going to try and get up to Bruce's Stone. So I think it's quite high up in the air, so I think it's going to be quite a steep climb to get to it. But we'll see how we get on. And show you some nice views, hopefully.
Try and get the drone up as well if we can get to the top.
Yeah, that'll be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
commemorates Robert the Bruce, King of Scotland, and the Battle of Glentrool in 1307. where the stone now sits, you would have seen the whole battle unfold. English soldiers were ambushed at the steps of Trool as Bruce's men pushed a wall of boulders down the slope, killing many and forcing the rest to retreat.
Unfortunately, we couldn't fly the drone as there were some RAF jets training and flying low through the glen. From the visitor centre there is another short walk which takes you along the water of Minnoch, where there are some mini waterfalls and it's a popular spot to see nature bloom. Hi everyone, morning. We are back at Glentrool today. Sean's gonna have a rest and I'm gonna take on the blue trail here, so I'll show you what it's all about. So you can join the blue trail from the centre, from the Glentrool Visitor Centre. And I think the loop is about 5.5 miles all the way round. Did say there was a steep descent on the way down, so I'm assuming that means a steep ascent on the way up. So we'll see how we get on. Alright, let's give this section a go. Put my seat down a little bit. A little bit of single track. The Blue MTB Trail at Glentrool is a fairly easy ride that most people should be able to enjoy. The first half is shared with the Green Trail as it takes you on a 200-metre climb up to the top of the Green Tor. Let's get off the trail here. Yeah. Whew. That's quiet, so I wouldn't normally stop on the trail. We'll just make sure we're off it. But look at that view. Oh, amazing. Right. Little 30-second breather. Let's get back on it. This trail is not as technical as some other blues in the area,
and is mild compared to others I've ridden in parts of England and Wales. The descent takes you back to the car park and is flowy and fun. It starts to give you a taster of a more technical trail with a couple of berms and rollers. It was a nice introduction for my first ride after a few months and a good way to start building my fitness again. Now I'm just really keen to see what the other blue trails in the area have to offer. So here we are, stayed the last couple of nights here. It's Glentrool Caravan and Camping site. It's about 2 miles down the road from where we went hiking and biking. It's really accessible. So I'm just going to take you on a little tour of the campsite to show you what it's all about. So behind me we have Rennie. And then you can see behind me here, we have lots of hard standing pitches, which is perfect. And this is the entrance. Here's reception and the shower blocks. I'm not going to take you in the shower blocks because it's early and there are probably lots of people having their showers. Behind the showers is the Elson Point, washing up facilities, laundry area and a bothy which has a kettle, microwave, fridge and freezer. There is a motorhome service point which also includes a bike and dog wash area. Plus bins and recycling. Got the camping field here. Which also has a cabin for general use. The site also has a lovely pond with resident ducks.
Join us next time when we go on the hunt for some waterfalls and Emma makes a new friend.